touch. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're my returning Sabi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Musoga Kubingoma. Please do make sure that you follow me on social media at Musa and Kubingoma. Anyways, I know this video is long overdue because as you have seen, like months ago, my channel started showing adverts. So this is where we're going today. So drums rolls. Boom! So anyways, as you can see, this is the Google AdSense mail, which is I'm gonna get to it. So this video basically outlines how you can make money on YouTube and how I made my first check. Hello. So anyways, YouTube, it's a platform where everything is there. If you want to know how to make session, you go there. If you want to know how to bake, you go there. Like, so YouTube pays let me okay, I'm lying. YouTube what pays is Google AdSense, which is Google AdSense, the ads that are playing on your channel. So basically YouTube but in the these are ads. So anyway, let me take you through my journey. So if you guys make YouTube, you're gonna be depressed. Oh my channel is not doing anything. So make YouTube out of love. Also money peace. Because if you make it out of money just because everyone is doing YouTube, is having this glamorous life, depressed, it takes years for other people. If you're privileged enough, if you're lucky enough, it can only take you a few months to actually start sharing adverts on your channel. So on this video, I'm going to take you through how I just made it and how you can also make money on YouTube. So if you guys see me looking down, I have my notes in front of me. So I noted down everything that is important because I can leave out some important things that you guys need to know. Anyways, first things first, on YouTube, if you have a serious following on social media such as Facebook and Instagram, you're doing something, let's say you have videos, funny videos, you can actually grow from there. Take all your supporters, take all your followers to YouTube. That's where you're gonna start making money, because I'm not sure how you make money on Instagram, not unless you already up there. Actually move your followers from Facebook to YouTube. That's where you're gonna start making money. So if you have a great following, you have great thing happening, open a YouTube, babe. If you know how to cook, open a YouTube. I'm always on YouTube looking for how to make something because I can't cook, and a lot of people can't cook out there. So every time they need to cook, buy a YouTube. So if you're good at cooking, or whatever you're doing, you can start your YouTube channel. Yeah, she's not. So anyways, guys, I was supposed to make this video like a long time ago. But your girl is lazy. I am so lazy, and a lot of shit been happening. I lost the things that make the things. So anyways, it's cool. So first things that you know, if you have a YouTube channel, first thing that you need to do in order for you to start getting paid on YouTube, you need, which is called the threshold. English, guys, English. You need 1,000 subscribers straight up. So guys, you need like 1,000 subscribers, okay? And you need, okay, first of all, you need, if you're a YouTuber, anyone who's a YouTuber anywhere, South Africa and everywhere, you need an app that is called YouTube Studio. You can just get that app at App Store or anywhere. That app keep track of your watch hours and your subscriber count. So let's go back to what you need in order for you to get paid. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, it's 4,000 watch hours, which is 240,000 minutes watch hours straight up. People need to watch you. And guys, you need to promote yourself. It doesn't matter like if you have like 1 view or 2. That's how it started. That's where all YouTubers started. Only 1 view and you'll be happy. Like I used to have like 12 subscribers like the whole first year. I was like, I'm talking about myself. 12, only 12, but look at me now. But yeah, it's not where I want to be, but at least I'm growing. At least I'm becoming like I'm going somewhere. So you need those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is 240,000 minutes straight up within a year. That 1,000 subscribers for 4,000 watch hours. You need to get that within a year. So promote. Also take back rent. And what else I wanted to say? And then after you've met all those after you've met the threshold, after you've met all the requirements, this is where Google AdSense comes in. And then you're gonna go open a Google AdSense account where you're gonna put your name, surname. It's very easy. It's a very easy interface. It explains itself. You put your name, your surname, and then the minute you do that, the one that you're using for your channel, and then your channel is gonna pop up and it's gonna show you your watch hours and your subscribers. And then if you qualify, you're gonna have to verify your address. And then guys, and also you gotta put your banking details on how you wanna get paid, if you wanna get paid in check or through the bank. The easiest one is through the bank. Like everyone does that in South Africa. I don't know other countries, but Malia buying in the bank in my page. Anyways, so after you've did all that, the only thing that now is gonna hold you is the pin, which is this one here. I'm gonna get to it. So after that, you're gonna have to verify your address. So while you are registering and everything, you'll be asked you to put down your address where they're gonna send you this mail. Boom yeah. So this mail basically have this thing. This pin. It have the pin. So yeah, the mail got the pin of which you're gonna enter when you verify your address. I have Corey on the background. Corey Sana, oh busy my girl. So yeah guys, do forgive me if you're buying one. So this is lenders are base, guys. So you have to make sure that you get this. Yeah, but I am but I'm just too lazy. But anyways, you have to, after it takes 2 to 4 weeks to receive this pin, of which they're gonna send you to the address. So after that, you have to verify your address. After that, boom yeah, and then you'll see which date you prefer to get paid on, and then set up. It's very easy guys. The app explains itself. So it's very easy if you are interested in really doing this YouTube thing. So the mail looks like this, and inside, as you can see, I'm good because in guys, and your pin is gonna be here. I like the pins, they differ, so is it different? So I'm just gonna cover my pin so that you guys don't do funny things. So this is my pin right here. This is the pin that you'll need to put when you verify. Okay, in order for you to get paid, guys, Danny Black, do something. Like, you can't just sit at home and not do anything. You can still make money while you're home. So this is the pin about and boom, you have money. So YouTube is everything. So take this chance, try it out and see where it takes you. Because like, you can't just say I am man, because there are a lot of things that you can do online. And this is one of the easiest channel, because some of us and we haven't found our niche yet. So you can just open a channel, babes, make money. So this is my first check, guys. I'm very, very happy. I'm very grateful for you guys, because you all made this possible for me. If it wasn't for you, I was not gonna get paid. So this goes to you, my subbies. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Keep on supporting your girl. Keep on doing the things. IT girl on social media. Let's have a conversation. And remember, I'll still do it's in London, the series that I was doing. Let's have a glass with Musa. I am still gonna continue, and I'll focus on that now, because I'm not that busy anymore. So I'm gonna do stories. I have stories on my email. It's been months, so I'm gonna start working on them. And then we'll see. So guys, ndiyabulela kakhulu ngenkxaso yenu, and yeah, thank you so much. And you can ask me anything that you want to know, anything that I feel like I left out, because like I can't know all these things. Like I tried to note them down, but so please do make sure that you leave a comment. If you're unclear about something, you can ask me, throw a comment down below, and let's get into this YouTube thing. So anyways, I just wanted to make this video, say thank you, and don't skip those adverts, because if you skip those adverts, the bitch is not getting paid. Okay. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching.